Converting JPG or PNG files to PDF or changing JPG into PNG on a phone is actually very easy, and you don't need advanced skills. You can do it using built-in phone features or simple apps. Below are two clear methods explained step by step. Method 1. Convert JPG or PNG to PDF using Samsung My Files or Print option. If you are using a Samsung phone, then you already have a built-in way to turn images into PDF files without installing anything. First, open the My Files app on your phone. Go to the folder where your JPG or PNG image is saved, such as Images or Downloads. Tap on the image to open it. Next, look for the three dots, More Options icon, usually in the top or bottom corner of the screen. Tap it and from the menu select Print. This may seem like you are going to print a document, but it actually works as a converter. Now you will see a printer selection screen. Tap on the drop-down menu labeled Select Printer and choose Save as PDF instead of a physical printer. After that, tap the Save or Download icon, often shown as a downward arrow. Finally, choose where you want to store the file, such as the Documents folder or internal storage, and tap Save. Your image will now be converted into a PDF file automatically. Method 2. Convert JPG to PNG or PDF using an app. If you want more flexibility, you can use a free app like Image Converter from the Google Play Store. After installing the app, open it and select the option called Convert Images. Then browse your phone storage and select the JPG file you want to convert. You can even select multiple images at once. Next, choose the output format. You can pick PNG if you want a higher quality image format with transparency support, or select PDF if you want a document style file. Tap the Convert button and wait a few seconds while the app processes your file. Once it is done, tap Save to Gallery or the output folder provided by the app. After saving, you can open your gallery or file manager to find your newly converted image or PDF file. Both methods are simple, fast, and useful depending on whether you want built-in tools or extra editing features.